Hi guys, well, we've bought ourselves a Karcher WD2 wet and dry vacuum. I bought this for the garage so we can clean the cars and hopefully clean the carpets in them as well, but it's not a carpet cleaner, so we've got to clean the carpet and then this vacuum will be used to suck up the water that's used in that process. Today we're going to have a little demonstration, see how it goes. We're going to clean a little area in the house, a part of the carpet that's been soiled where people tread in and out. So without further ado, let's get it unboxed and get started. All the usual things are in the box, as you can see. Vacuum hose, 2 rigid straight pipes, the cleaning head which needs to be put together, and also there's a little piece in there as well to get into the nooks and crannies. We've got the instruction book, booklet, and there's one dry dust bag with it, and it also comes with one wet filter as well. Nice lightweight, as you can see, and as you can also see, the wheels are not fitted to it yet. Good length electrical cord with it. Easy to take apart, just undo the 2 clips at the side and the top lifts off. And that's the wet filter already fitted to it. Let's fit the caster wheels, easy enough, just push fit, no problem at all. Now we need to fit the paper dust bag. It's a fairly simple process. So the paper dust bag cannot be used when you're using the vacuum as a wet vacuum. You must remove the paper dust bag first. Place the top of the unit back on and refit the 2 clips. All the attachments feel nice, seem good quality. I've noticed in some of the reviews of other cleaners, they do talk about the components feeling flimsy. In this case, not so. Well, I'm going to turn the vacuum on now, so watch for the noise. Okay guys, it is a really loud vacuum cleaner. For this part of the demo, I'm just going to cover the carpet with some Vax original carpet solution, which has been watered down, and we'll see how it goes. And don't forget to take the paper bag out of the vacuum. And another loud noise alert, guys. Wait for it. While I'm cleaning this, guys, just to let you know, I've put a link in the description below, so if you are interested in one of these wet and dry cleaners, you can drop straight to that link and you can find what you're looking for on Amazon. And look at that, that was just a very quick clean. Didn't actually use a lot of water on the carpet, and it's sucked the water up and the dirt with it. I'm sure spend a little bit more time and get some fantastic results. And Samantha's just checking to see how wet or dry the carpet is after we've finished. Hope you enjoyed that little video, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. See you soon.